This video provides a summary of the procedure detailed in AASHTO T19. The purpose of this test is to determine the dry rotted unit weight of coarse aggregate, abbreviated DRUW. Dry rotted unit weight is a measure of the bulk density of compacted aggregate and is used for determining weight to volume relationships in construction applications. When performing the dry rotted unit weight test, the following safety precautions are required: safety glasses and closed-toe shoes. The following equipment, materials, and supplies required for conducting dry rotted unit weight tests are as follows: a 1/4 cubic foot bucket, a scale, a rod, and a coarse aggregate sample. The following is a summary of the steps required to complete the dry rotted unit weight test. Place the bucket on the scale and tare the scale. Remove the bucket from the scale. Fill the bucket approximately 1/3 of the way full with coarse aggregate. Rod the aggregate 25 times. Fill the bucket approximately 2/3 of the way full and rod the second layer 25 times. Rod slightly into the layer below. Add the final layer and rod 25 times. Level off the top of the bucket using the rod. Add extra aggregate if necessary. Since this is coarse aggregate, you will not have an even surface layer. Therefore, aim for having 50% of the particles above the level and half below. Place the bucket back on the scale and record the mass. In this example, the mass is 11,423.8 grams, which equals 25.18 pounds. The dry rotted unit weight is calculated as the sample mass divided by the volume of the bucket, in this case 1/4 cubic foot. For this example, the dry rotted unit weight is 100.8 pounds per cubic foot.